Okay, welcome back again to the PowerPoint video online tutorials. Uh, this is going to be a lesson for how to add slides. Now, slides are this size, almost half of an A4 is what is set up as what we call a slide in PowerPoint. So, because it is just half of an A4, and on each slide we have what we call the placeholders. This is a placeholder, this is a placeholder, and all the placeholder contains they can contain text, they can contain pictures. You can insert or paste anything that you can put in there as far as the slide is concerned. Now, because the slides are not too big, therefore PowerPoint, it is not used for writing notes like it is done in Microsoft Word. It is organized in what we call bullet points. PowerPoints are strictly organized in bullet points. That makes the presentation much more easier. So therefore, if you are going to work on PowerPoint at any time, you have an idea that you have to present or share it with a group of people. You organize those ideas in slide, in bulletin points. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example on how you can add how you can add slides. On the left side here, you have seen that we have only one slide, and that slide is always called the title slide. All presentations must have titles. So this is a title slide, and then if you want to add a slide using the mouse, you can up here on the ribbon on the slide group, you have new slide. So if I click on this new slide, it adds up another slide for me, making it number 2. Another way you can also create a slide is by clicking on the slide and pressing on Control plus letter M on the keyboard. Okay, that also adds up a slide. If you also want, you can right click on the slide and then you can click on new slide. It will also add on a new slide for you. So there are many ways that you can add up slides here. So I'm going to use Control plus letter M and press it several times until we get 10 slides. So I'm going to press letter M. This is slide 5, slide 6, slide 7, slide 8, slide 9, and then the slide 10. Maybe the slide up to slide 11, it's not bad. Okay, so I'll go back, scroll up to slide number 1. So this is how you add up a slide. Okay, if you add all the slides that you want, there are also what we call the slide layout. Slide layout is very close to the new slide or on the ribbon. If you click on it, you can easily change. Let me click on slide number 2 and go to this slide layout. You can easily change the layout of the slide. So on the layout, you have the title, which is the first slide always. This one right now, that the one I'm looking at, is called the title and content. You have the section header, you have the to content, you have the comparison, you have the title only, you have the blank, you have content with caption, picture with caption. So you can see that all these are layouts that you can use as far as slides are concerned, and this can be used for different purposes. If you want to compare something, you can use this. If you have information that cannot fit in one column, or you think it will be extended to another page, you can break into 2 columns like this, and then you split your data into 2 columns format. Okay, this is title only in case you want to make a drawing, or you want to paste a picture, or you want to make a very big picture or a map. You can use this blank or maybe this title only. And here you can also have a picture with caption or a video with a caption. Any one of those will work. Okay, so if you also click on the slide, right at the center of the title to content slide, you are going to see some icons here. You have the table, you have the chart, you have the smart graphic design, and you have picture, you have the graphic online if you want to get pictures from the internet. Of course, Microsoft Access 2016, sorry, PowerPoint 2016 doesn't have a clipboard, a clip art. So that is why it is connecting you online for you to able to get pictures that you might want to use as far as your presentations are concerned. Okay, the last one is the video. Okay, you can also click on this if you want to add a video on this slide, and it makes it much more easier. Most of the time the videos that are accepted are WMV, that is the Windows Media videos, or the MP4, or the AVI. I think those are the three videos that Microsoft recommends to run with the PowerPoint. Okay, so we will have a lesson that we will talk about them later. So right now we are going to see if all this data, all these slides, we can put in something there. Okay, so to add new slide, this is just the lesson. I'm going to stop here for today, and I hope that we will catch up with the next lesson, which is how to add content on the data, on these slides.